Asteroid 2024 YR4 is about the size of a car. Despite its small size, it has captured the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. This asteroid is part of a group of near-Earth objects that are closely monitored due to their proximity to our planet. It recently passed near Earth, coming closer than many other asteroids of its size. Such close passes are not uncommon, but each one provides a valuable opportunity for scientists to study these space rocks in detail. This close encounter happened on January 2, 2025. On this date, 2024 YR4 came within a few 100,000 miles of Earth, a distance that, while vast, is considered quite close in astronomical terms. Scientists carefully tracked 2024 YR4 using a variety of instruments and techniques. They monitored its speed, trajectory, and rotation, gathering as much data as possible to understand its behavior and composition. They used powerful telescopes to observe its path. These telescopes, located in observatories around the world, provided detailed images and data, allowing scientists to make precise calculations about the asteroid's future movements. Their calculations showed it would not hit Earth. This information was reassuring, as it confirmed that 2024 YR4 posed no immediate threat to our planet. However, the data collected will be invaluable for future research and monitoring of similar near-Earth objects. It's normal for asteroids to pass close to Earth. Space is big and collisions are rare. Astronomers are always on the lookout. They can predict potential impacts many years in advance. Space agencies like NASA and ESA have planetary defense systems. These systems are crucial for monitoring and tracking asteroids that could potentially pose a threat to our planet. These systems use telescopes to scan the sky. The telescopes are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to detect even the smallest objects moving through space. They look for moving objects that could be asteroids. By continuously monitoring the night sky, astronomers can identify new asteroids and track their movements with great precision. When a new asteroid is found, scientists study its orbit. They analyze the data collected by the telescopes to understand the asteroid's path and predict its future trajectory. They calculate its size and trajectory. This involves complex calculations and the use of specialized software to ensure accuracy. This helps them determine if it poses any risk to Earth. If an asteroid is found to be on a collision course with our planet, scientists can develop strategies to mitigate the threat and protect Earth from potential impact. NASA and ESA have plans to deflect dangerous asteroids. These space agencies are at the forefront of developing innovative strategies to protect our planet from potential cosmic threats. Their efforts are crucial in ensuring the safety of Earth. One idea is to use a spacecraft to nudge the asteroid. This method, known as the kinetic impactor technique, involves sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid at high speed. The impact would alter the asteroid's trajectory, steering it away from Earth. This would change its course and prevent a collision. Early detection is crucial. By identifying potential threats early, scientists can calculate the best possible intervention strategies. This proactive approach is essential for effective planetary defense. The more time we have, the better we can prepare. Advanced telescopes and observatories play a vital role in monitoring the skies for any signs of danger. Continuous observation allows for timely responses and well-coordinated defense measures. Rest assured, scientists are working hard to keep Earth safe from asteroid impacts. Their dedication and expertise are our first line of defense against these celestial threats. With ongoing research and technological advancements, we are better equipped than ever to protect our planet.